Hi Jermaine, welcome to my channel. In the last episode, I have told you how to create the front part and the back part, and today let's talk about how to create the sleeve and the color. And in the first step, click this one, add fabric and name it sleeve with him, right? Press OK, place here. The next step is to add dots for the sleeve. Click this one, add points, and create 2 dots here. Since it's the symmetry, so 2 dots appeared on the right side as well. Right click and command, select these 3 dots, press right arrow key on keyboard to narrow size in horizontal way. Right click and command to let the sleeve move like the sleeve. I mean the shape. Okay. And the third step is to give marks. First, from here to here, cuff width. Press OK. And we have changed something because the sleeve should be folded into half. And in the size frame, we had just give half the size here. 10 maybe first. Actually, the size is actually depend on you, all right? But double click here, times 2. The 2 here means 200% because it has been folded, like I told you. But in the canvas, it has been expanded. So the mark here will be the 20. But when the sleeve is sewed to the front part and back part, it will be folded into half. And this is something you have to know. Okay, duplicate. Use as meter edge to duplicate the size here. Right click and command. And again, from here to here, the mark is called sleeve width. Press OK. Like the situation on the cuff width, we just give half the price. We just give half the size here, maybe 17. No, 17.5. Right click, duplicate this part here. But we still have to double click to times 2 here, 200%. On the top, it's called sleeve head. Sleeve head. Press OK. And I think I have to create another 2 point here. Right click and command and give another mark. It's called sleeve head surplus. Surplus. Press OK. And that's it. The function I will tell you later. Actually, I don't know how to explain, but I will try my best to explain. Okay. In vertical way now for the mark. From here to here is the sleeve height. Press OK. Second, cuff height. Cuff height. Press OK. And from here to here, it's called cap height. Cap height. Press OK. From here to here, it's called sleeve slope height. Yeah. Might be, I don't know. I think it's called sleeve slope height. Never mind. And when the cross marks are gone, hey, wait a minute, there is another cross mark here. From here to here, it's called sleeve alignment. A-L-I-G-M, G-N-M-E-N-T, alignment. Press OK. So now about time to change size for some of the mark. From here to here, V2 I think is fine, and transfer it to the master meter because it's important, but not that important. We'll have to show the customer, the sleeve alignment. So just put it under the master. Okay. And the sleeve slope height, 2.5 I think, and 2.5. And again, transfer to the master meter. Cap height, we have to transfer to the equation, and I will tell later. The cuff height, 6, what the size is for the hem height for the front part, and 5. Okay, we just give 5. If you want, you can also, move the order of these names. Depends on your need, okay? I just put it in the initial place. The sleeve height, 62. Not bad, huh? 62, I think it's okay. Sleeve height surplus, again, put to the equation, and we'll tell later. And the sleeve head, put into the equation. Sleeve width, 55. I've changed, all right? Cuff width I've changed. It's okay. So now go to the equation. Sleeve head, the equation go this way. Sleeve width divided by 1.5. Okay, this is the equation for the sleeve width. No, for the sleeve head. And for the sleeve head surplus, we have to first measure the front clip and back clip, okay, by using the measure tool. Okay, from here to here, the line we measure is from here to here, okay. This is the circumference of the line. If you click here, and front clip, press OK, and back clip, again, click circumference, press OK, right click and command, double click here. The equation go this way. Front clip minus back clip is the equation for the sleeve head surplus, and generally it's the positive because we have increased 1 centimeter on the sleeve. No, what's the name of it? What's the name? Armhole height. That's right, armhole height. Because we don't get, in the last episode, I increased 1 centimeter on the armhole height of the front part, and it's 1 centimeter longer than front part, right? So the circumference of the front clip is a little bit longer than the circumference of the back part, and just something I don't know, okay? And you just create the equation like I do, okay? And the second step is to figure out the equation for the cap height. And I'm going to tell you the equation for calculating the cap height. So from here to here, the distance, the size is offered by the customer. Is that right? It's called customer, T-O-M-E-R, armhole height. And we know from here to here is called sleeve, L-E-E, sleeve width, D-T-H. So we have no A, we know B, the C can be calculated by using the Pythagorean theorem. So A squared equals B squared plus C squared. A equals customer armhole height, and B equals sleeve width. Is that right? So the equation goes this way. C equals square root and customer armhole height times customer armhole height minus sleeve width times sleeve width. Cap height go this way. Double click, square root, customer edge times customer edge minus sleeve width times sleeve width, bracket, press OK. The curve so far is not perfect because it's not about time to change the curve right now. We will type in the density of this fabric before can we be able to change the curve, and this is the order, okay? So the next step is to create another mark. It's called, wait a minute, because I forget the terminology of this one. Variance value, variance, V-A-R-I-A-N, variance value, and add here, and we have to type into the equation. the equation. But before explaining that, we just switch to the stage first. And from here to here, we have to know that this plot will be sewed to the front clip. Is that right? Wait a minute. I have to put in here. Rotate to some degree. Which you guys know, from this point to this point will be sewed, will be linked to the front clip from here to here. Okay, it's half of the sleeve clip, right? And from here to here will be the same as well. The linking process, will go this way, right? So the equation is this way. The sleeve clip equals the circumference of the front clip and the back clip. Is that right? But due to the nature of the sleeve, because in program software there are many rows of slope going on the edge of the front clip, so this place will be a little bit tighter, so the size will be shrink a little bit, and we have to increase, some centimeters to let the size equal to the circumference of the front torque and the back torque. And the size is from, we have to give, extra 1 to 3 centimeters to the sleeve clip. So how can we be able to give it? The first way is to, increase the sleeve width, but the sleeve width is limited. Why? Because, the customer give you the size and you cannot be able to change it. Is that right? So we have to use the second way to change the cap height. This size is not offered by the customer. The size we have to check it out by yourself, and we can change the size to make sure that the front clip equals the circumference of the front clip and the back clip. All right. So before we have to type in the equation. Double click front. Oh wait. We have to measure the sleeve clip first. From here. Wait. Measure tool from here to here. Sleeve clip. Circumference. Press OK. Right click and command. OK. Go to the equation and type in sleeve minus front clip. Wait. Front clip plus back clip minus sleeve clip. Damn it. It's kind of longer, Generally, the size, generally the number should be positive, but right now it's 3.38. It should be, on the range from -1 to -3, because, the front clip should be a little bit wider, and in the equation we put the sleeve clip behind. So the number should be minus from the -1 to -3. Okay, so we try to change something here. Not here. Change the equation. Double click and plus maybe 4, maybe 3. We try 3 first. Minus 0.95. And by the way, right click, we have to give the alarm light here from -1 to -3. And when the number is out of confined from -1 to -3, the range that we should let is allowed. So the color will turn red here. Okay, can you guys see it? You still have to change something here to increase maybe another 1 centimeter. Maybe +4. Let's try it. So right now, wait a minute. Show meter alarm. +1 to +3. When color turns red, it's okay. Is that right? And what about double click and just +2? Variance value. That's right. What's going on? Wait, right click, show meter from part -1 to -3. Oh, sorry, -3 to -1. And I think it's good. And change this one again. And when it turns black, it means, you know, the data is in the reasonable confine. Okay. If the color is red, that means you have to, you know, let the size of the variance value within the reasonable confine from -1 to -3. No, from -3 to -1. I'm sorry. Okay. And this is it. For the color, we change in the next episode. And there's one part left. It's called the color. So I'll create another fabric here, but this time we don't need him, okay? And change name here, COLOR, color. Press OK, and place here. And give mark. First, try to give a mark on in vertical way. Color height, HIGHT. Press OK. And change size here, 3.5. I think it's fine. Press OK, and give the mark in horizontal way from here to here. It's called, what's the name? Color width. Color width. Press OK, and duplicate size, and applicate to this part. Click. We have to transfer to compound meter, and from here, you know. The color should be divided into several parts. How many parts? 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 parts. You know, the linking machine operator tried to suit the color on the neck part. Is that right? And that's so long, so you know the operator cannot align the color to the neck part of the front part and back part. So we try to give marks to let them have it carried out easily. So first, from here to here is the first part, and the click mark here, which means, you know, the front talk will happen in the programming software on the trash part. So the mark placed on the color will be suited to the corner at this place. All right, and the another part is from here to here, the front waist, the front, what's the name? The front net depth. No, the front net base. All right. Wait a minute. Right click and take it again. From here to here. And from here to here. Right click. Click 3 part here. So, you know, the operator can see it, that there are marks here. So they can easily, you know, suit the color to the neck part. And we have to compensate 1 here. Take here, press OK. It's all right, and command. Let me check it out. There's another thing I think I will have to add is, you know, add 2 points here to give another mark as well, because it's so long, and we have to let the operator know that, you know, this place should be aligned to the part on the sleeve clip, because it's so long, and if you don't, you know, the linking machine operator cannot perfectly, suit the sleeve clip to the front part and the back part. Okay, so add points here, right click and command, and click the mark here, right click, use as half width, no, use as half height, and take the size here, from here to here, from here to here. Right click and command, and don't forget to give horizontal mark here, because, you know, there are cross mark at this place, right? From here to here, the shoulder waist. Wait a minute, we'll have to duplicate the size of the shoulder waist. from here to here because the sides are the same, and the crossbars are gone now. We don't forget because the armhole height of the front part has been increased 1 centimeter, so it should be a little bit longer. It's longer 1 centimeter than the than part on the back part. Is that right? Double click here. Add 2 here. Wait. I have told you that front part is 1 centimeter longer than the back part because we want extra 1 centimeter happened on the part of the front part. Is that right? And press OK. If you just increase 1, that means just increase 0.5 here. So you have to increase 2. All right. You mean why? Because don't forget it has been folded into half. Is that right? Because when all parts are sewed together, the sleeve will fold it into half due to this nature. So press OK, and I think it's all right now. And in the next episode, I'm going to tell you how to change the curve, and I hope you still watch that video at that time. And thanks a lot for watching this video, all right? And I'll see you next time.